In this tutorial, I'll guide you on how to see what you have liked on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a thumbs up. For this demonstration, I'll be using the Facebook app, but the process is similar on desktop as well. To begin, open the Facebook app on your device and tap on the menu button located in the top or bottom right corner of the home page. Scroll down the menu option and tap on Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Scroll down to the Your Information section and tap on Activity Log. This will display a log of your activities on Facebook. Scroll down further and select Interactions, and then choose Likes and Reactions. Here you will find a comprehensive list of all your likes and reactions on Facebook. If you want to unlike something, locate the item in the list and tap on the three dots icon to the right of it. From the pop-up menu, select Unlike to remove your like or reaction. That concludes this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give the video a like and consider subscribing for more Facebook tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.